Zemote Smart and Modular Touch Switch. A technology-driven approach to provide modern house comforts. This is the Zemote Touch Switch range. Smart and modular, in all different sizes and finishes, with wide feather touch area, colorful backlight and elite appearance. Compatible with app, Google Home, Alexa and remote, these switches have it all. Let's take a closer look at the features and potentials of the Zemote Touch Switch range. This is an 8-module touch switch with socket on the front and Zemote block are the actuators that go behind the front and control all the appliances. The Zemote blocks are individual module for curtain or light or fan that can be stacked in any combination according to the customer requirement. Let's take a look at the type of Zemote blocks available that make it happen. This is a power block. It can be used to turn on or off any appliance up to 3.3 kilowatts. It also offers day-wise energy consumption data. This is a curtain block. It can be used with any motorized curtain or projector screen to open and close. This is a toggle block. It can also be used to turn on or off any appliance up to 3.3 kilowatts like power block, but does not offer energy consumption data. This is a triac dimming block. It can be used on any triac dimmable LED light or filament bulb up to 150 watts. It offers 15 dimming levels. This is a Zemote dimming block. It works in conjunction with single or dual channel Zemote dimmable drivers and uses the proprietary Zemote dimming technique to dim LED lights on 15 levels. It can also work standalone if dimming is not required to turn on or off any appliance up to 150 watts. This is a fan block. It can control fan speed on 5 levels. All of these blocks can be stacked in any desired configuration over the power supply block. This is the power supply block. It is a necessary block which offers a gateway between Zemote block stack and front panel. That is all for Zemote blocks. Let's talk about the touch surface. It is the heart and brain of the Zemote touch switches. This is how an 8-module touch switch with socket looks like. This is called a touch point. It is the area in which a touch is detected. This one has 7 touch points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a dummy block with Zemote logo on it. This is not a touch point and is present in the bottom right corner of all variants. Likewise, this is 8-module plain switch with white glass finish. It has 11 touch points. This is 6-module plain and socket switch. They have 9 and 5 touch points respectively. This is 2 and 3 or 4 module switch. They have 3 and 5 touch points respectively. This is a 2-module switch with 3 touch points. Each touch point can detect a tap, a double tap, and a long press. Tap is like a single mouse click. Double tap is like a mouse double click and long press is like holding a keyboard key on an open text file. Now be it a tap or a double tap or a long press, any action on touch point can be used to open a curtain or close a curtain or toggle a switch or increase, decrease or toggle fan speed. Same with dimmable lights. It can trigger a scene or can control air conditioner temperature with the help of Zemote IR controller. For every Zemote block 1, 2 or 3, touch points can be used to control the appliance. Let's take a closer look at touch point configuration of individual Zemote block. A fan block can be used in 3-button mode. 1 touch point to increase fan speed, 1 to decrease and 1 for toggle. Long press on increase or decrease will render continuous change till maximum or minimum. In 2-button mode, toggle functionality is achieved by double tap. Double tap on decrease switches off the fan and double tap on increase to switch on the fan. In 1-button mode, tap increases the fan speed. If the fan speed is maximum, then tap will make the fan speed minimum, and subsequent taps will increase the fan speed. Long press to switch off the fan and double tap to switch on the fan. At all times fan speed can be seen by the color of backlight of all touch points of that fan block. Likewise, a dimmable light block can be used in 3-button mode, 2-button mode and 1-button mode. Kindly note that one-button mode in case of fan or dimmable light can require a little bit of training of the user due to its complexity, and should be used only if it is absolutely necessary. A curtain block can be used in two-button mode. One for open and one for close. A tap on open will open the curtain for a set time editable through Zemote app. A tap if the curtain is already running will stop the curtain. A long press on open will open the curtain till the long press is released. Same goes with the close button. In one button mode, if first touch triggered the opening of curtain, the second touch will trigger stop if the curtain is already running, or close the curtain if curtain is not running. A normal light or power block has only one touch point to toggle. At all times status of the appliances is visible through the color of the backlights of the concerned appliance. All the unused touch points are automatically configured as scene inputs. Every scene touch point can have two scenes. One is triggered by a tap on the touch point and the other on a long press. All the scenes can be linked to any scene created on Zemote app. Two scene touch points working together can also be used to control any air conditioner with the help of any Zemote IR controller. A tap on one increases the temperature, long press switches off. A tap on two decreases the temperature, long press switches on. All these settings can be done through the Zemote app. All the touch switches offer backlights that can change colors according to the themes set by the app. These are two switches with warm and cool themes. Backlights also responds to the ambient light, completely dim in the dark and brightening up according to external light. All the switches with socket offer a USB output and a socket. USB output provides 5 volts 2 amperes output, and the socket supports a power plug. Along with this, the touch switches are compatible with the other existing Zemote app features like schedules, relative schedules, location-based rules, scenes, and Alexa and Google Home controls. That's all for the brief introduction to the Zemote smart and modular touch switches. We are continuously working to improve and provide as many features as possible. Any suggestions are welcome. Zemote. Switch to smart. Thanks for watching.